Experience comfort and convenience at Walter Rooms in Rome. Welcome to Walter Rooms, a charming and cozy hotel located in the heart of Rome, Italy. With its prime location and excellent amenities, Walter Rooms offers the perfect accommodation for both business and leisure travelers. At Walter Rooms, we understand the importance of a smooth and hassle-free check-in process. Our check-in time starts from 12 p.m., allowing you to settle in and start exploring the vibrant city of Rome at your own pace. Our friendly and professional staff will be there to assist you and ensure that your check-in experience is seamless. With a total of 4 well-appointed rooms, Walter Rooms offers an intimate and personalized stay experience. Each room is tastefully designed with modern furnishings and thoughtful amenities to provide you with the utmost comfort during your stay. Whether you are traveling alone, with a partner, or with your family, our rooms are designed to cater to your specific needs and preferences. At Walter Rooms, we believe in creating a welcoming environment for families. That's why we have a child policy that allows children between the ages of 4 to 10 to stay free of charge. We understand that traveling with children can be challenging, and we aim to make your stay as convenient and enjoyable as possible. Our friendly staff will go the extra mile to ensure that your little ones are well taken care of and have a memorable stay at Walter Rooms. So, whether you're visiting Rome for business or pleasure, Walter Rooms is the ideal choice for your accommodation needs. Experience the comfort, convenience, and warm hospitality that our hotel has to offer. Book your stay at Walter Rooms today and embark on a memorable journey in the enchanting city of Rome. Convenience facilities at Walter Rooms, making your stay hassle-free at Walter Rooms. We prioritize your comfort and convenience by offering a range of excellent facilities. Stay connected with our complimentary Wi-Fi available in all rooms, allowing you to effortlessly browse the web or catch up on work. Our daily housekeeping ensures that your room is always clean and tidy, allowing you to relax and unwind in a comfortable environment. We understand that travel can sometimes mean carrying a lot of luggage, which is why we offer luggage storage facilities. You can safely store your belongings with us, giving you the freedom to explore the city without the burden of heavy bags. Additionally, our laundry service is available to take care of your laundry needs, making your stay at Walter Rooms even more convenient. With our commitment to providing excellent convenience facilities, Walter Rooms ensures that your stay in Rome is hassle-free and enjoyable. Whether you're here for business or leisure, our facilities are designed to cater to your needs and enhance your overall experience. Convenient transport facilities at Walter Rooms. At Walter Rooms, we understand the importance of convenient transport options for our guests. Whether you are arriving from the airport or exploring the city, we have you covered. Our hotel offers airport transfer services, ensuring a hassle-free journey to and from the airport. Sit back and relax as our professional drivers take care of your transportation needs, allowing you to start your vacation or business trip on the right foot. For guests who prefer to drive, we provide a car park facility. You can park your vehicle securely and conveniently at our hotel, giving you peace of mind during your stay. Please note that car park charges are applied, ensuring the availability of parking spaces for all our guests. Additionally, we offer a shuttle service to popular attractions and key locations in Rome. This service allows you to explore the city with ease, saving you time and effort.